Hi, so you've created a beautiful model and then you go to this red shading mode and you have this so ugly highlight here. And you better prefer something like that. Look, this highlight is a little bit more blurred, a little bit more dissolved, and I think especially smooth organic shapes look 1,000 times better with this red shading mode. So I will show you how to do it because literally it's just unhuman. I don't know. So the problem is, those matcaps, they are a little bit hidden. We have to go to those matcaps folder. So I have a Mac here. I will show it for Mac because I don't have a Windows, but below this video you find the path, the exact path where you find the matcaps for Windows. So you can just copy and paste it into your Explorer and you will get instantly there. But on Mac it's a little bit crazy. So you have to go to your downloads or where your plasticity is. So I have it here, plasticity and plasticity beta. So then you have to right click and show package content. Then you have a folder content. Then go to resources. And then here, that's so hidden, find app. And maybe for you, you'd only see one folder because you don't see the hidden folder. So you have to click Command, Shift, and the dot. And then you see here, you have a webpack. Click on it, go to renderer, and go to image, so EMG, and then you have all of those matcaps here. Just very simple. You have a PNG image, so metal car paint PNG, and the metal car paint.exr. So if you go to plasticity and you click right click, the image that you see here is the PNG. So you can exchange that PNG image with a bird, for example, and you will just call it metal car paint.png. But the image will be a bird or something. Then if you save it, then you will literally see a bird here. So it's pretty funny. The important thing is this metal car paint EXR. So what we want to do with that is copy it and just paste it on your desktop or create here a folder, call it OG, so original, and copy it and just paste it. So, you just have the original file, because now you have to open this EXR file and now you have to delete this EXR file and you go to this original one and you open that with Photoshop. So once you open that, and don't worry if you don't have Photoshop, below this video you can also download the final result, so you can just copy and paste it. But if you have Photoshop, you can do some cool stuff. So let me just very simple, you just create here a selection, a round selection around that thing, around that super ugly highlight, something like that. You have to play a little bit with the size. And now you want to feather the selection because we will blur it, but we don't want any hard edges. So go to select, we need the select to modify. So selection or select, modify and feather. And feather that 15 pixels or so. So you basically don't see any difference. But if you go now to filter and you go to blur and Gaussian blur, bam, you can filter that a little bit. So maybe 8. And that looks fine. But don't save it because you will overwrite the original file. So go to save as and go back to this folder, to this EMG folder. And just here metal underline carpaint.exr and save it, and compression just none, and press OK. Because now if you go back to your plasticity, so you have to restart it, and remember this one, the EXR file is the edited one with the blur, or you can just download this file and just paste it into this folder, but save the original one, okay? But now if you open plasticity and you go right click and you select that matcap, now you see your models will look 1,000,000 times better. It will be so much more fun to work with. And basically, if you want to learn how you can create it such, in my opinion, super beautiful organic shapes, I'm launching our Plasticity Accelerator membership very soon. So stay tuned, like and subscribe so you don't miss it, where you will get a ton of this kind of tutorials. Very high quality, very in depth, and check out below this video all of the links. And yeah, I hope you liked it. and it will give you even more joy to use plasticity. Have a nice day. Bye.